In question 3, we've got a cube. We're told that the total surface area is 150 square centimetres. We've got to work out the volume of the cube. Well, to get the volume of the cube, we need the length of these sides, and that's what the surface area will give us. Behold a cube. Now, how many surface areas has this got? Well, around the middle of it, we have 4, and they're identical areas. And if L is the length of the side, this is equal to 4 multiplied by L squared, because the surface area of any of the sides is just L times L. We've got to also remember that we've got a top area here and a bottom area. So the total surface area will be 6 of these L squareds. And we're told that the surface area is 150, so we can set up an equation. You'd expect in a non-calculator paper for this to be an easy sum, and it turns out that 6 goes into 150 25 times, so I get that 25 is equal to L squared. So therefore I can say L is equal to the square root of 25, which is equal to 5. I can reject the negative solution because L is indeed a positive quantity. So now I've got the length of the side. The volume of the cube is simply L cubed, which is equal to 5 cubed, which is equal to 125. So these are centimetres cubed. And there is your answer.